for tuning in. I'm excited to show you what we're gonna make today. Another really easy thing, and I know Alex has a recipe on this too, and I just checked the channel and I don't think she did it. So you might get two, I don't know, because hers might be different. Okay, so we're gonna do some homemade toothpaste. Super easy, dentist approved, not chemical filled toothpaste. Price wise, amazing. And yeah, so it has baking soda, coconut oil, and peppermint essential oil. Okay, so baking soda is like a cleaning agent, a whitening agent, and it is like good for like scrubby. So that's why it's in toothpaste. So yeah, you don't have to go buy some like big brand for it. So we are gonna do, it is 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And a little lid for this. It should be in a closed container. Alright, so 1. And yeah, I'm in my bathroom because this is where I can hide to make my videos for you guys. With 2 3-year-olds and a husband. Yeah. Okay, so mine is like a little bit melty because it was by the stove. It's cooking. Okay, so coconut oil, 2 tablespoons. And then we're gonna do 1.5 of baking soda, which I should have brought a towel to wipe this off. It's okay. I'm probably gonna make a mess. So we're gonna do 1.5 of the baking soda. Okay, so here's 1. I can get it out. Oh, so there's the baking soda. Okay, and then it's like about 10 to 15 drops of the peppermint oil. Whatever you like, maybe you want it to be like really minty and you want extra. Maybe you don't want it to be so minty, you can do less. So, I gotta turn it a certain way. You know what? Let me take this off because I'm running low. Okay. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm gonna start with 10. If I can get this extra, there we go. So I'm gonna do 10. Smells delicious. And then you're just gonna stir it up until you get a paste. And like I said, my coconut oil is a little runny because it got a little warm. But seriously, like super easy. Like I said, dentist approved. Okay, so it'll turn into like a paste. And then you wanna, like I said, have a lid. You want it to be like airtight. I mean, and that's it, guys. Like I said, Alex has another, like her own recipe, and I'm not 100% sure what else she might put something else in it. I'm not sure, but I mean, there's so many out there, and there's so many articles about the baking soda and the coconut oil and the benefits of for your gums, and you don't. I know it's like probably drilled in that you have to use this like, I don't even know, the gel with the little white, or the little like things in it, the little mint strips and the whitening and the this and the that. You don't. Okay? So, I mean, I'm not a dentist. I'm not like saying any like, what's that word? I'm not like saying it's gonna make your teeth turn into these like crazy beautiful pearly whites if they're not already, I don't know. But okay, so super easy, super simple way to make some toothpaste at home. So that is all for now. I hope you guys have been enjoying our channel. Please remember to like and subscribe and just stick around because we have more coming at you. So see you later. Bye.